Okay, the other topic from Chapter 3, Section 1 is calculating the area of an oblique triangle. And essentially, the law of sines will give us a formula to calculate how to do this. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, which you should have learned at some point in one of your math classes. So in this case, we've got 1/2 times c, which is the base, and the height is going to be b times sine of a, and we get that from the law of sines. So if you manipulate the formula for law of sines, you can solve for that h. Now, there are 3 different ways to calculate area based upon which ones you have, and also I'll draw the triangle how I drew it in, I think, video 2, where in clockwise order the angles are A, then C, then B. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to draw the triangle. All right, so either, if we have an angle A and then the other 2 sides, basically you're going to get one angle and the other 2 sides in order to solve this. So as long as you have that, you can use this formula. So let's take a look at an example. So an example here, we have the degree of angle C is 120. Our length of A is 4, and our length of B is 6. So I'm going to draw a little all right, so I'm going to draw the triangle as best I can here. So I'm going to put C on top where I did in that other video. This is A and this is B. Our C is known to be 120 degrees. Okay, and the other values, since we have the A on the left, are a little a will be equal to 4 over here, and across from the capital B will be little b, which is 6. So these are the 3 pieces of information that we have. So we're going to use area equals 1/2 little a, little b, and then sine of capital C. So the instructions that I have here: find the area in the triangle, round answers to 1 decimal place. I'm using 1 decimal place because that's what your book uses for problems 37 to 44 on page 268, which is where all the other 3.1 questions I've had you do are. All right, so anyway, this is the one we're going to use, and we're going to fill in. So that's 1/2. A is 4, B is 6, and then we want the sine of 120 degrees, which we can find using a calculator. We can actually do this one without that, but we'll use a calculator to do that. Since I'm having you round everything, you might as well use it first. All right, so I'm going to take that sine first. Again, remembering that you have to have it in degrees, not in radians. All right, so then we have 4 times 6 is 24 divided by 2, so we're multiplying by 12. So our answer should be 10.4 when we round. And there's no units, so we are done.